Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Sandeep Talwar. I am Clinical Director, Southend Fertility and IVF Center, Delhi. And I am going to talk to you something about ovarian reserve markers and why testing of ovarian reserve is very important, not only for older woman, but even for a young girl, because lot of young girls also we are saying where ovarian reserve or the capacity to make eggs is very much reduced. Hence, this is the why it is so important to test ovarian reserve in all infertile women. I thank Indian Fertility Society for giving me this platform and giving me this opportunity to talk to you about this such an important topic. I thank Zydus for this academic initiative of theirs, and I thank DocMode for promoting such academic activities which are so important for everybody, and they are basic things which are really required as of now. Thank you so much.